Central Wisconsin CW is dairy-driven, connecting with Central Wisconsin's Dairyland today.
It's not every day that a Badger has breakfast at school, but on this particular day, students are enthusiastically welcoming a Wisconsin icon.
We didn't inform the students or the staff that he was coming, so I think it was a surprise to everyone, and they came into the cafeteria this morning.
Breakfast with Bucky is part of an effort at Madison Metropolitan School District to get students prepared for a day of learning. The district's breakfast program aims to get children off to a healthy start by providing nutritious meals with a variety from each of the food groups.
The district does a wonderful job of making sure that our breakfast program includes all of the components of nutritious breakfast, particularly focusing on dairy, yogurt, milk, all those important things as well.
Studies show that children who start their day with a nutritious breakfast perform better in the classroom.
There are a lot of studies that highlight better performance, particularly in the area of math. We also see increased student behavior, less disciplinary problems in the classroom.
Bucky Badger is also willing to help these kids add a little more milk to their breakfast.
Kids really look forward to coming into the breakfast. I'm fortunate enough to be able to go out to a lot of the schools and talk with them as they enjoy their breakfast, and I think that they really appreciate the opportunity to participate in the program.
We have about 130 of our students each day participating in our breakfast program here on site, which is wonderful because, again, we know the importance of students eating a healthy breakfast and being able to better learn each day.
Central Wisconsin CW is proud to highlight local farmers. Visit our Facebook calendar for upcoming dairy events in your area.